Initial millimoles, H₃PO₄ equals 10 mol, Na₃PO₄ equals 10 mol. The neutralization mechanism strictly favors the comproportionation reaction between the extreme acidic and basic species. H₃PO₄ plus PO₄ to the power 3 gives H₂PO₄ to the power plus HPO₄ to the power 2. Since we have 10 mol of each, they react completely to form exactly 10 mol of H₂PO₄ to the power and 10 mol of HPO₄ to the power 2. These two products form a perfect equimolar conjugate acid-base buffer pair, H₂PO₄ to the power divided by HPO₄ to the power 2. The relevant equilibrium is the second dissociation step, governed by pKa₂. Since salt equals acid, the log 1 equals 0, and thus the final pH perfectly equals pKa₂ equals 7.2. The answer is 7.2.